Sikam village sits 3 kilometers from Konga airstrip below a valley. In the last 3 weeks, the rains came and the cassava, sweet potato and taro are rotting in the ground. There is a food shortage. People are eating budding taro plants that are normally used as seedlings.
Sikrapim osem na migat kumubulo mi kisimia. Mi gona be mi sapim na putim long pot. E mama blongin. Ino kai blongin isa karem nogat. E mama turu blongin.
Those who work in their garden wait for the best because their crops aren't yielding. There is an increase in pests and crop disease. There are drought-affected areas like Sikam village in the Kabwum district. Much of the relief supplies that came in from the provincial government wasn't enough to sustain families. Now they've resorted to gardening techniques like traditional irrigation using bamboo cutlings, but that will only work if the rain continues to come and their streams are filled with water. The last lot of relief supplies that were sent was in September. Each household received 3 packets of rice and a tin fish. Since then, there has been no more.
Na pikinini bulomi 7 pula pikinini. Mi mama. Mi noga keke. Mi hard mi pilimpian. Painim keke wea.
There has been no awareness on early maturing crops that can greatly ease the drought burden. Bethany Harriman, National MTV News, Lay.